Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get images off the internet and replace the images in your scenario with images from the web. So let's see. We saw earlier that the images for a project are in this images folder. So I'm working with Trick the Turtle. I call it Trick the Turtle JLC10. I just named the scenario this way because this is the state of Trick the Turtle after the 10th Joy of Code video. So yeah, so I have this images folder that includes this snake image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another snake image off of the web and replace this image with that one. So there are different resources. There are different places where you can find images. You can use whatever your favorite is. What I'm going to do, Google is certainly fine to use. I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to search Creative Commons. There's a bunch of images here, and they have different places where you can search. You can search Google Images, or you can search, you can get music and other media and stuff. I'm going to go to the Open Clip Library and enter my search here, say snake, and I'll just scroll down. And let's say I want this snake right here. Okay, so I'll just click on this guy. And it has different choices in here. So this is what the snake is going to look like. You can get a small, medium, or big version of the image. And you can get different formats. It looks like and you can also edit the image, it looks like. So one of the edit choices, I haven't looked at that one. So you can actually, it looks like you can go in and, yeah, make changes to the image right here. So you might want to go in and see well, you can play around with this one if you want to look at it. I haven't tried this one out yet, so I don't know. But what I'm going to do is actually I'm just going to download the smallest version of the image that I can get, and that's this size. I'm going to download. Let's see, let me save that image as this, okay? And I already have it set up to go to my images folder. So you want to make sure you're going into the images folder in your whatever scenario that you're working with. So I'm just going to save it, with the name that it already has. And now what happens is, actually what happens at this point is, since I already have this project open, if I say set image, oh yeah, it shows up right here. If it doesn't show up here, one thing you can do, you might try using this import from file, or just quit out and start up greenfoot again if you don't see it right away. And then you should see it right here. Okay, so let me just cancel this for a second, just so you can clear what I'm doing here. So I put my cursor on the snake class, and for Windows I'm going to right click. For Mac it would be a control click, and say set image, And here's the image that I downloaded and put into my image folder. And I'm going to say OK. And notice the image changed on the class box, but not on this guy. So actually what we need to do is recompile to get the new images to show up. So I have my new snake images, but they're kind of big. So in the next video, I'll show how one way that you can reduce the size of these.